Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Smartsheet row locking for data consistency step by step clearly. To begin updating row locking in Smartsheet, first, open your Smartsheet workspace. Locate the sheet you want to modify. Click on the sheet to open it. Once your sheet is open, identify the row or rows you wish to lock. Right-click on the selected row. In the context menu, find the Edit Row option. Hover over Edit Row to reveal additional options. Select Lock Row from the list. If you want to lock multiple rows, hold down the Control key or Command key on Mac while selecting the rows. After selecting the rows, right-click again. Choose Edit Row and then click Lock Row. To verify that the row is locked, check for a lock icon next to the row number. If you need to unlock a row, right-click on the locked row. Select Edit Row again. Then click Unlock Row from the context menu. Confirm the action if prompted. To finalize changes, ensure any updates are saved automatically. Repeat these steps for any additional rows that require locking. Review your row locking settings to maintain data consistency in your Smartsheet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.